Mike McKenna with MAPEI, and I'm showing you guys our PP level DUO system, which is designed for porcelain pedestals, paver systems. You can use it with the concrete pavers. It's a floating deck system that we've developed, going on top of raised decks, concrete, crushed gravel. As long as it's sloped properly with 1/4 inch per foot, you can use our system starting at 3/8 of an inch all the way up to 4 feet with our extensions on there. You have our PP level mini with the extension on it, giving it up to another 3/8 with our small, medium, and large to complete the system. It has a floating head on it that adjusts to the slope of your deck so that you don't have to do any turning with it. This is the adjustment key that comes with our system, and you're able to fit it in between here to move your pedestals up and down. And the nice thing is it'll fit in between the grout joints, so you can do adjustments after the fact. If you have some movement in your deck, concrete moves, stump comes in and moves it up, you can come in after and readjust it without having to demo everything out and adjust your system to give you a level floor again.